Hey there, and welcome back to the channel where we simplify tech, save time, and make life easier. If you're interested in learning how to turn a text file like the one on the screen into a powerful tool that runs multiple tasks with just one click, stick around and watch this video to the end and I'll show you how. Firstly, we'll create a blank text document by right-clicking, going to New, and clicking Text Document. I don't have this option because I'm using an optimized version of Windows 11. If you're interested in it, comment down below. I open text files by adding it to my Start menu, but for demonstration purposes I've already created one and saved it on my desktop called Best PC Optimizer. This method involves no advanced tech skills or fancy tools needed, just Google. Let's open Google so that we could get started. With Google open, search up ChatGPT. Then click on the appropriate link to access it. Once ChatGPT is fully loaded and you've located the search bar, type in the following. Create a comprehensive multi-utility optimization tool .bat file designed to enhance your PC's performance. It should include a wide range of cleanup and optimization features such as disk cleanup, temporary file removal, forceful emptying of the recycle bin and other performance-boosting methods. Add an all-in-one setting that automates every optimization task in a single run, ensuring the system is fully optimized after executing the .bat file, and press Enter. After typing the command into ChatGPT, let's step back and take a moment to explain what a .bat file is. A .bat file, or batch file, is a script file in Windows that contains a series of commands to be executed in sequence. It's a powerful way to automate tasks and run multiple commands with a single click, saving you time and effort. Keep in mind, you don't have to type exactly what I'm typing here. You can come up with your own ideas, anything that could potentially automate tasks or be used in a similar way. Copy the output, head back to your home screen where you created the blank text document. Open it and paste the script you copied by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and pressing V. This will paste the script into your text file. The next step is to copy the title of the created script. Click on File, Save As, then paste the title into the file name field and be sure to add .bat at the end before clicking Save. Now that the file has been created, let's open it to explore its functionalities. Click on the file and you'll see all the commands conveniently available at your fingertips. You can choose to execute them individually or run them all at once. For this demonstration, I'll use the all-in-one function, which is assigned to number 7. Once we select 7, every command will be executed from 1 to 6 to optimize your PC based on the script you've created. This approach is highly efficient because it automates repetitive tasks, saves time, and ensures consistent results. Plus, it's completely customizable, allowing you to tailor the script to your specific needs. If this was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new tips I put out. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.